Hey guys, this is Tiana Tuna with Laura. I'm a top-ranked knockout, and I want to give a shout-out to Sauce Tough Podcast.
Thank you. You know the vibes. The news, about Shy News. Now, I know I give you a lot of shorts with the basketball, but I wanted to give you an extended one. Studies have shown that LeBron James, LeBreezy, has played against not one, not two, but 9 father and son duos his tenure in the league. Now, I would say, with LeBron playing against this many father and son tandems, not only does that make him father time, aka the fountain of youth, it makes him almost mutant-like. He's the type to say, now check this out, hear me out. I'll slam on you just like I used to slam on your father. The news by Shy News.
Shot clock down to 4. LeBron James and a foul.
You got hit. Tell.
And one.
Graybeard doesn't get a lot of those. You can tell by the excitement. PJ was forcing him to go right. He still went left, got around.
Hey, this is Coach Larry Wade, IBL Champions. Hey, I train professional boxers, and you with Sauce Talk Podcast. You don't want to miss anything that he puts on you.
Appreciate you, champ. You know the vibes.